Okay, so what we're doing here is we're actually going to remove this setup entirely, replace the attic vent, and then stick the cat back on. We have evacuated the animal. They haven't heard any noise, so let's get into it. Okay, so we're just popping this puppy loose here. Sometimes it'll break free nice and clean. Other times it'll be a little bit more of a struggle. Okay. And there be the hole. It's a nice big hole there. So we're gonna pop the rest of these nails out of here. You know, just because we don't know exactly how things are gonna line up, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna stick some waterproofing over top of these holes, just to make sure that we get a good seal no matter where that vent happens to land. It should be about the same size, but there's no guarantee it's actually gonna fit the exact same spot that the last one did. So we just wanna make sure that we get these holes covered no matter where that thing happens to land. There's one over here too from our door. There that guy is. Okay, through one hole here. Okay, so now that's covered in waterproofing. Now typically, again, roofers do use nails, and it's not the best for waterproofing. So just to keep everything nice and conservative, we're just going to use the screws, but no matter what we do, any hole that gets put in a roof gets waterproofing regardless. So, okay, so this is waterproofed, resealed, re-tapped down. All of this goop is going to dry, and everything will settle and look real nice.